Hello! Hi, I'm Cy Parry and I run All Stars Kids Club and All Stars Studios, and we're the people who are going to be producing the Lighthouse live shows alongside you amazing Lighthouse people. So I thought I would drop on here and give you a little tour of the set. It's not finished yet, but it will be in the next 2.5 weeks. And for Lighthouse Live, we're not pre-recording stuff. No, we're doing it completely live. We will have the team and presenters and all the fun happening twice a day, totally live from our studio here in Amersham. So I thought I'd give you a little sneak look at behind the scenes of where we're at so far, so you can get excited and get ready to watch the show and be part of it. So over here, we have, this will be our social media set. So this is where we'll be doing some stuff in between the live shows. So on Instagram and Facebook and stuff. So if your parents or older siblings are on there, you can watch stuff on there, behind the scenes and interviews and all kinds of fun stuff. Over here, then, I'll swap hands, hang on. So then we have our messy game set. So we're gonna have slime, gunge and mess. And then we walk this way, and that takes us to our makey thingy set, where we're gonna make stuff and blow things up and make a mess and have a lot of fun. And then over here we have our lounge, which is kind of like a granny lounge. We're going to have interviews and all kinds of cool stuff here and lots of old things. Look at those sofas. Look at those. Yeah. And that takes us over to our main presenting set, which will be here. We have a great big TV and we'll have lights and all kinds of cool stuff there, and that's going to be really neat. And then over here, it takes us over to our gallery. So we want to see this covered in your pictures and drawings and paintings and jokes and emails. Well, emails aren't interesting to hang on a wall, are they? But anyway, lots of things you send in, we'll put up in the gallery. Lovely. Then there's a door. Very exciting having a door. Doors are good. There's a door and some cases. And then we also have, which is very cool, a track. We have a go-kart track going around the whole building, and we'll have go-karts and space hoppers and all kinds of stuff and challenges. So that'd be neat. And then we'll also have this cool space in the middle, which will have all kinds of penalty shootouts and other games and stuff. And anyway, we're going to have so much fun, and you don't want to miss it. No, you don't. So if you haven't yet already signed up, go to lighthousecentral.org, sign up, find out more about Lighthouse Live. It's going to be amazing. Now, obviously, we would have loved to do Lighthouse actually live in tents like you do every year. That's not possible this year. So we really hope and pray that this won't be the same, but it'll be a lot of fun, and you will love to join in and watch it every day, twice a day, on the 27th of July for a week. And it's completely free. That's right, there's no charge. You can watch this completely free on the All Stars Go app. And you can even go there now. You can go to allstarsgo.com and watch a lot of stuff, sign up, but we'll give you all the details about all the ways you can watch it when you register. But do sign up, find out more. It's going to be amazing. Lighthouse Live. I can't wait for this to be finished, and you can enjoy all the amazing stuff we have planned for you. So God bless, sign up soon, and we'll see you on the 27th of July for Lighthouse Live.